Hi Minasan, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Abby Kareen, your friendly neighborhood nerd, and we're back with Demon Slayer. You guys guessed it. This is great. Freaking ready for this demon to die. Honestly, I would love for it to be, oh man, I can't even spoil you all. But if you've seen JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, part 5, what happens to the boss? I hope that happens to this guy. I really do. Hopefully that wasn't a spoiler. I tried to make it very vague, but I want him to suffer the best way possible. And I think the just desserts would be what happens to the boss in JoJo's. That's all I can say. Because I'm a petty bitch. I am. And I want people to just suffer when they suck. And this guy sucks. Anyway, but we're gonna get into this. This is called Move Forward. I don't know whose kind of story it's gonna be about. If it is about like Tanjiro just taking down the train, or if it might be Rengoku centered, either or, I'm ready for it. So we're gonna dive on in. I have Patreon available, and you can get the full timer of this show, as well as I'm assuming the clear version. Imon and I haven't like confirmed it at this point. But I'm assuming the clear version will be on Patreon, and then the watermark version will be on YouTube. So if you want to see the clear version, that's where it is. We do it for copyright reasons because it's very sensitive, and animes are triggers for copyright. So I don't know how many more episodes I can take of this train dude. I'm over him. All right, but here we go. I've been waiting to do that correctly. Okay, I can rest in peace now. Lord. Ooh. Gross. Gross. All these poor people. Okay, so my theory was correct from before when I'm just like, is the demon the train? So it makes sense now. You are a stud. Good for you. Are you mad? You mad, demon? I shall worship and glorify you. Inosuke-sama. Go for it. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, it's like, oh. Wait a minute. This is so gross. Yeah, it's like they're inside of the stomach almost. We gotta wake everyone else up. It can't just be you two. To save everyone and try and kill the demon, we need the whole team. Yeah. Gotta burn it. Gotta wake up Rengoku. He's gotta burn this mother inside. That's gross. That I feel violated. Well, can't Nezuko just start using her fire too? I feel like demon on demon action might do something better. There you go. There you go, girl. What are we gonna do? Get it. Use those thighs. Yeah, because literally, this is going to be very tiring. They have to figure out a different way. But how? You gotta wake up Rengoku, or he's gotta wake up on his own. He's gotta figure this shit out. Oh no! Oh no! Burn it! Burn! Oh, there we go. That's what I was saying. He's sleeping, so this should be his game. He should be the one saving everyone, honestly. And of course, he would go protect his lady. Mm-hmm. Thunder breathing. Gosh. Aw. Dang. So she just always has to be in danger. I know, what about him? You gotta just Because like honestly, this is gonna be so tiring. Oh, there he is. Are you awake? Oh my gosh, his voice. Yes! Gone. That's what you get. Oh, and it like picked up the train a little bit. That was husband number 47. I got a lot of husbands, y'all. Like, you know, like, is this a coal train? We just gotta put out the coal so it'll stop moving. Yeah, he can handle it. He good. He got it. I don't know why that was funny with him falling down to break the door, but it was. Yeah, he is more than awesome. You're awesome too. Yeah, so no time to wait, my dear. You need to hustle it up. Oh, it's like full. Oh, no. Does this guy not know what's going on? Yeah, I don't trust this. Bro, look at the train. Oh, you know, you've been sleeping too. Never mind. Okay. Kick him off the train. I just start expelling people. Gross. I know how you feel. It's nasty. Oh, no. Oh, no. Teamwork. Oh, that's him. I thought that was Inosuke at first. I'm like, what happened? I just start stabbing. Yes. Looks like a spine. Oh, are we Attack on Titan? Da 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 na 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 he na na na. Right? Right? Little slashy slash. Oh, it blocked it. Damn. Okay. Okay. This is gonna be. Oh. Okay. You guys gotta do it together, maybe. Yeah, synchronize. Yeah. Oh, shit. Stab it in the eye. Stab it in the eyes. Oh, damn. There's more eyes. Never mind. Oh, does Inosuke know how to wake up? Okay. I wonder... Is it like... Yeah, you have to keep your eyes closed, which is even harder. Ugh, this is a tough demon. And this is a lower. I mean, he has Muzan's blood, but still, he's a lower. Damn it! You just gotta blindfold yourself. Oh, and he can just pop up anywhere. Wait, who? Thank you, Inosuke. Jesus, kiddo. Thank God they have Inosuke. So that's what you just gotta blindfold. Oh no, because you have to see what you're doing. Damn, this is really. Yeah, I would forget about that. You're so good. You're so good, Tanjiro. I'm not that nice. So it's gonna trap him in there. Gosh, these visuals. Oh, so awesome. If they could, like, this is where I feel like you do need Rengoku or even Zenitsu, because, like, they can do these really amazing, like, big burst attack versus, you know, water breathing, because it's more like slashy slash. Ooh. Good job. Yes. Yes. Slice and dice. Okay, just stabby stab, 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 stab. No. Oh, the fire. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh. You mad, bro? Your head's... Oh, no. Oh, never mind. I need to calm down. They're fine. Everyone is fine. I would be fine on this train, too. Oh, but this might hurt some people. Ooh. Oh, it's over. Is he back in the dream? Is this right? Am I correct? Yeah, this is the ending. Who? Nani? No. 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 That demon done her wrong. This is not, no. This is not Hunter x Hunter. This is not Bestie. This is not Golden. Ridiculous. No Bali Chin, thank God. Oh my gosh. Akaza? Oh my gosh. Okay. First of all, I have to say I apologize to anyone watching the full version of this. That Dream Demon was pissed off that I was talking about him in such a negative way that he messed up my internet twice. So there you go. But we got through the episode. Ooh, well, I'm very happy that Tanjiro is just really, you know, working on using the fire breathing or whatever. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Again, I'm very curious. I feel like because he has a black sword, my hypothesis is that he's going to be able to use, you know, multiple styles. I don't know. I mean, that may not be true. It might just be water and fire because his dad, you know, was using some type of fire breathing or something or other. But it would be really cool to see him be able to use wind, be able to use thunder himself if necessary. I don't know. But, you know, that's for later on. We'll have to touch that when it happens. But yeah, fuck that demon. I'm glad its head got cut off. I think he deserves more death. Can we like put that head in a box, put that box in like a barrel of water, and then put that barrel of water in like fire or lava? Is that possible? I think we should, you know, look into that because we're gonna hate that demon. Yeah, I'm glad everyone's awake. I wish we could have seen Rengoku wake up. Like, I don't know. It's fine. I want these little things because I'm in love with all these characters so much. But I would just love to see him just like flame on. Something like that. But this was a great episode. As per usual, this show just, I will definitely, once this is all done, I would like to get the manga and just like be able to read it that way. Again, it's kind of tough because Imon and I, we love mangas. Actually, we started reading mangas before we really got into animes. But it's like, because we do reactions, we're not trying to spoil ourselves, so we've been holding off reading mangas. So I've been trying to actually get on the train of like reading them when we're done with the series. So, you know, I have like Vinland Saga, and I've been reading Haikyuu as well. But oh man, I'd love to read this manga. But it was good, and I love their teamwork. I'm glad we get to see more teamwork, and even like they're breathing in like in sync with each other. I think that's also really cool, and I think that needs to be explored a bit more. I don't know if the Harashi can also do that. I don't know. I wonder if they work in teams at all, because that would be really cool just to see different members working together. And I don't know. I'm going off into fantasy world because I love this show so much. I'd love to just see where it can really like expand into. But nonetheless, great episode. And fuck that demon. I hope he's dead now. If not, I hope he gets dead soon. But that's it. I'm gonna stop. I can't wait for the next one. It's called Akaza? Yeah. So I look forward to that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.